Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. If you're working on ABRSM Music Theory Grade 3, I have a playlist of 28 videos, the links are in the cards and the description, where I take you step by step, even question by question, through the entire music theory and practice workbook. Also, if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets. They're available in US letter or A4, and they have links to all the videos as well on them, and they contain all the information that you need for this grade, everything to help you there. Also, my exam technique guidebook is available. It's ebook and paperback via Amazon. You can get that to help you with your exam. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more music theory and piano tuition videos, and please like and share with your musical friends. I hope this playlist is really useful to your study. Bye!